So hey guys, welcome back to another episode of a new tutorial all the way from Creativo, fresh and fire. So today's tutorial we're going to be talking about how to use CapCut Pro for free. So quickly we're just going to open CapCut, and all you need to do is go to the top right corner, click on settings, and then change this save to folder where your video saves to while you're editing. So there's a draft folder that it saves to. You change this folder to from the default folder to any other folder that you want. I've already changed mine from the onset, so I'm just going to select this one and select this folder, and it's going to be there. Okay, so you click on save. After that, then you create a new project. Then you get to import a new video, any video whatsoever. I don't want to use this video, let's use this one. Still a video of me playing the drums somewhere, Proverbs 3 though. So we import the video and use any feature whatsoever that you want. Let's use some effects here. Let's use this explosion effect. This is very visible. So I'm going to drag this video down a little so that our processing time will be short. I want this video to be as short as possible because it's a very quick tutorial. So after that, after you have added all the effects, edits, whatever you want to do, you just have to, select all the videos and press Alt G or right click and create a compound clip. After that, right click on the video again and pre-process compound clip project, and the video is going to process. Depending on how big or how large your video is, you're going to have like a countdown to 100 or count of whatever it is. After that, you don't have to click export or anything. You just have to go back to that same folder that you created the other time and open the folder. Where is my folder? Okay, I put it in here, CapCut drafts, and then open the folder. Click on resources, combination, and okay, this is not where I put it, rather actually. So come here, resources and combination, then you find your video. So this is the video that we just did, and so that's it. Now enjoy CapCut Pro for free, no payment on the desktop, no payment, and have fun. If you like this video, if this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So thank you and have a nice day.